Hi folks, this is a clarification message for everyone who is participating in Mentor of Code event, specifically on internship onboarding project. This is actually a clarification message for everyone regarding how we are going to proceed and what is the next steps regarding regarding my current project. Currently, we are looking forward to get our mentors onboarded to the platform. Let it be script or let it be dev script. There are some kind of like bits and pieces of logistical issues, like they were not able to get the mails and other things, and I'm not able to integrate the GitHub functionality, etc. So that is the problem right now. And this project is a greenfield project. As I mentioned before, a greenfield project is one that has no code at all, and it's going to be built from scratch. This is a good opportunity for most of the people to learn a programming language from scratch. So this is one of the best opportunities that you can take up. Apart from this, we will be creating issues as quick as possible very soon, and then we will be guiding, like there are a couple of mentors who will be guiding you. As I'm currently with my full-time role, I'm unable to completely dedicate my 9 to 5 time during the project, but I'm definitely available to clarify any serious questions. And apart from that, we will be building something from scratch. From nothing, we will be building something. So you as developers, you will be building the product. So there is no code before. It is not a bug fix project kind of a thing. We do have other bug fix projects, but I thought there should be a complete learning experience in this one. That is the reason I took I took a stand to create something totally new and totally needed at this time. And then it would be awesome to hear your thoughts about it. I'm happy to explain if there are any other questions or clarifications that are needed. And I'm available in LinkedIn, Discord, and Slack, in all the three platforms for any clarification that is required. Thanks again, and happy open source coding week. See ya.